Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this presentation of Clickbait Pays, and I'm shortly going to tell you what this is and how does it work. So let us just start with this. Just going to share the sound for this. Then you can hear from the website itself, and then I'll talk in more detail about this.
Welcome to Clickbait Pays. This is a simple digital income model built around daily participation, campaign activity, and referral sharing. The concept is straightforward. Create your account, activate your campaign level, complete your daily clicks, and build cash flow through your own activity and direct referral rewards. Click into a new era of digital income, where everyday people can create extraordinary results, one click at a time. Clickbait Pays operates through a simple four-step process. First, you create your account using your sponsor's referral link. Next, you deposit and purchase an ad campaign at the level you choose. Then, you activate that level one time, which unlocks your ability to earn from daily clicking. Finally, once your earning cycle completes, you can withdraw, repurchase another campaign, or continue scaling your activity. The model is designed to be simple enough for the average person to follow, while still allowing more serious users to build larger cash flow strategies over time. To get started, you'll use your sponsor's referral link. Once you open the site, click Join Now, confirm your sponsor username, and complete the registration process. After registration, log in and review your dashboard so you understand where deposits, campaign purchases, ad clicking, and earnings are located. One important note: each household can create up to 3 accounts, and each account must use its own unique email address. Once your account is created, the next step is funding. You'll go to the deposit section, choose your preferred crypto option, send funds, and wait for the account to be credited. From there, you select your preferred campaign level and purchase your ad campaign. Each account can have up to 3 active ad campaigns running at the same time, which is important for people who want to stagger campaigns and create more consistent weekly cash flow. After purchasing an ad campaign, you activate the campaign level. This activation fee is paid one time per level, not every time you buy another campaign at that same level. For example, if you activate level 7 once, that activation covers your level 7 earning ability for the campaigns you run at that level. Once activated, you go to the Click Ads section each day, view the required ads, and complete your daily clicks. Ads reset daily at midnight Panama time. As you complete your daily clicks, earnings are generated into your earned wallet. Those earnings are held for the required holding period before they can be released. After release, you can choose your next move. You can withdraw earnings, repurchase another ad campaign, or scale into additional campaigns. The main strategy many users consider is staggering campaigns 1 week apart, so that after the initial setup period, campaigns begin completing on a more consistent weekly rhythm. Here's a simple level 1 example to understand the basic mechanics. At level 1, the ad campaign is 13 USDT, with a one-time activation fee of 1 USDT. You click 3 ads per day, and the campaign completes after 12 click days. At completion, the user earnings shown are 17.17 USDT. The same structure applies across the higher levels. The campaign size, activation fee, daily clicks, and earnings simply increase as the level increases. As you move through levels 2 through 7, the financial picture becomes larger. Each level has a different campaign cost, activation fee, number of daily clicks, and total earnings potential. Level 2 is a smaller starting point, while Level 7 is the highest campaign level shown here. The key thing to understand is that the activation fee is one time for that level, while the campaign cost applies each time you purchase a new ad campaign. So the first campaign at a level has a higher total out-of-pocket cost because activation is included. After that, future campaigns at the same level only require the campaign purchase amount. Clickbait Pays also includes a direct referral reward. When someone personally enrolls through your referral link, purchases and activates an ad campaign, completes their daily clicks, and reaches campaign completion, you can earn 10% of their campaign completion value. For example, if a personally enrolled member completes a Level 2 campaign, the direct reward is 11.30 USDT. At Level 4, that direct reward is 43.20 USDT. At Level 7, the direct reward is 360 USDT. This is why sharing the opportunity can matter. Your own campaign activity creates one layer of earning potential, while personally enrolled referrals can add another layer of cash flow. That's the simple Clickbait Pays overview. Create your account, choose your level, activate and click daily, then decide whether to withdraw, repurchase, or scale. To get started, grab your sponsor's referral link and follow the setup process. Thank you for exploring Clickbait Pays. Click into a new era of digital income. As with any online earning opportunity, results may vary based on participation level, campaign selection, timing, platform rules, and user activity. Review the official materials, understand the process, and only participate at a level that makes sense for you.
Okay, thank you. There is a brief introduction from the company side about how Clickbait Pays works. So I'm just quickly going to log into my account and show you. What we have achieved so far. So when you log in, you're going to go back one because it opens on an ad. So this is my account already. I've completed two 12-day packages or ad campaigns already. So I'm busy with the third one here. You can see it's at the bottom. I just completed the last click day today. And this one is already paid out. Sorry, this one is already paid out. It is waiting for the 7-day holding period. It's on day 6 now, so I completed that one yesterday. So on each, this is a level 2. All of these are level 2. That means that you get 3 ads to click on each and every day, like you will see there. If you come into the dashboard, you will get this messages here. You can see this one that has been completed is on hold at the moment, and this is the reason why. So after those 7 days are completed, in other words, it's 19 days that you need to wait on it. So each day you click 3 ads, you look at those ads for about 10 seconds, and then you complete it, and it automatically gets credited to your account. All right, so then you wait for 7 days for those funds to get credited to your account, and you will see it on your dashboard. I will run through the dashboard quickly. Then on your open campaigns, you will see that it says that click ads. You can either go there or click ads here. So on click ads, when you click there, it will show you mine is completed for the day. So it will tell you at the bottom, it will show you the ads to be completed. Right, and you can see that it's day 8 of 12 at this moment. This is already earned from these 8 days, 67.82 USDT. And each day on level 2, you are earning 8.48 USDT. Right, so progress is 67% for this ad campaign. Right, this was started on the 6th of, or the 27th of June. And it's completed 8 days so far. All right. So today I've clicked 3 out of 3. Today's remaining ads is 0. That means today's clicks are gone. So tomorrow I just come in and I click those 3 ads again. And you see per click you earn $2.83. And it takes you 12 days to complete this. You will earn on level 2, 101 USDT. And then you wait another 7 days, then those funds are credited to your account. Right, let me just go to the dashboard again. And this is what you will see. Currently the money which is in the system that needs to be credited to you is this. So once those ad campaigns are finished, that those 7 days holding period is finished, then it will be credited to your account. This is the current balance that I still have left. Right, you can see also here the 0 left clicks for today, and then referral earnings for today is 0 at the moment. Total referral earnings is also 0, right? Total already earned from the first ad campaign that paid out already. That is what I earned there, 101.74 USDT for the first ad campaign that finished and it completed its 19 days. So it's 12 days plus the seven holding days. It gives you 19 days. After those 19 days, then I bought another level 2 ad campaign from those funds. This is the balance that remained. Right, so this money you can withdraw it, you can sponsor somebody, you can buy another ad package. It all depends on yourself. Right, if you withdraw the funds, it is done in crypto, so it is you don't request your withdrawals from a person or support. You go into the back office manually and you request it here under withdrawal. You just need to add your withdrawal address and complete all of these things. There's a 10% withdrawal fee. Take note of that from all withdrawals. All right. So the minimum is $10 that you can withdraw. Right, and then you select your payment method. Most of the common cryptocurrencies are listed here, and you just need to paste in your wallet receiving address, and then you enter your security PIN. Very important. Do not forget this security PIN. You will create this security PIN when you register in Clickbait Pays. Right, so that's basically how this works. Quite a new platform, or fairly new. There is already lots of members in this platform worldwide. So yes, here you can see my current standings. This one is still active. You can see this one is purchased on the 9th of June. Right, and then this is what I've earned from level 2, 101.74. And I completed this one on the 26th of June. So that is basically how this works. You can join the Telegram groups, yeah. Support is either by email or by Telegram as well. And the support is very, very active. You can copy your referral link on the dashboard itself. You can just copy it there and then you can send it or paste it wherever you want to. Right, when you do register, you will ask to let me do this. I'm going to log out here and I'm going to show you. There's some things that you just need to know. So let me just close here as well. And I'm going to click on my link to register. Take note that every household, every IP address, internet IP address, can have a maximum of 3 accounts in Clickbait Pays, but they need to have 3 different email addresses. Now, another thing that I also discovered this morning is that you cannot refer your own household members with your link. So use those people that registers on your link, use their link to register your other members, because you're getting a 10% only referral commission from your referrals. And it's only level 1. There is no bigger commission than that. Right, so take note about that. So when you want to register, you're going to come and click on those. If you do it on the laptop, on the cell phone, it will look similar. You're going to click join now, and you're going to fill in all these details. First name, last name, address, city, complete all of these things, what they want you to complete here, and use your email address. So then that is, and your username, password, and then confirm password, and then here's your security PIN. It must be numbers only. Please do not forget this. Make sure you remember this security PIN, because you need it to reset your passwords and to make withdrawals as well. right? And then you're just going to press join Clickbait page here. It's going to ask you to confirm, and if it's correct, then you just confirm it, go through the steps, what they tell you there. This is basically what it is. This company is from Panama. The 24 hours resets every midnight Panama time. So I'm not 100% sure what time that is in South Africa, as I'm in South Africa. Right, on the Telegram groups, there is a lots of members that is getting huge payouts for it, because you can have 3 active ad campaigns at once. So multiple ad campaigns, you can earn from multiple ad campaigns at the same time. Many members, they take as many as they can. Obviously, your first 12 or 19 days, you'd have to wait until you get your payment, and then you purchase another ad campaign. So over time, it's just going to take time. You stagger those ad campaigns. And that is how you're going to create long-term sustainable income. When you also do register, you can buy or you advertise your own platform or any product basically on this platform as well, and then people will click on those ads it depends on what packages they are. Right, because every package has got a different ads that they give you. It will look similar like this. Just take note, when you do click on the ad, it will open in another tab. So I'm going to press on this one just to show you. This is the person that advertises this is now opening or added this to his account. So then you're just going to wait about 10 seconds, and you're going to go back, and then you will see a timer. You can see there is the timer counting down. This is similar to what your click ads will do each and every day when you do your own clicks. And then I'm not sure what it's going to show now. Let us just see. Okay, there where it says go to dashboard, it will say earning claimed or something like that, and you just press there, and it will complete and credit it to your account. But in this case, we're just going to go to the dashboard. All right, for you to add then your own ads, you're going to click on buy ad campaign, but when you register, it will ask you to do that as well. All right, sorry, buy login ads. It will look like this screen here. Okay, this is for login ads. This is separate. You need to pay $20 for 30 days for a month, and you can add your own website or whatever product you want to advertise here. Right, click ads. This is where you're going to click your daily ads, which I completed for today already. And then everything is explained in detail for you. Once you have joined or clicked on the link, you can go through this in your own time. Right, there is no need to refer any other person if you do not want to do that. That is totally up to you, but it's, as I said, there's only 10% referral fee of what your level 1, your direct referrals from their clicks, and that is basically when they complete their campaigns as well. There's no other extra commissions. Then there's the you can pay it forward to other members that is registered. They just need to have a username, and you send the funds. Obviously, you need to have funds in your balance as well. Right, so yeah, that is basically what that is for the PIF, pay it forward. And then your promotional center, here you can get your link to share in different formats. That's basically what this is advertising campaigns and so on. So you can advertise your own. With each new ad campaign that you purchase, you can add a new or different product that you want to promote. Right, so then you get to meet the admins, where there's a short Zoom session that you can go through, where you can meet this family that is in charge of this in Panama, and they will explain the concept to you. Also on your welcoming email, the owner explains more in detail how it works and where this comes from. All of that, you can contact them via email. I must say that they are very prompt with their response. So yes, that is how you can contact them directly via email only. And then you can also join the Telegram group, which you will get on the dashboard. There is the Meet Admins, and when you get the home page. The home page you will get here. Here you will see get also to the video that we just played in the beginning. Right, and then that is how you scroll through this at the moment. Right, and then just go back to home. Right, that is basically this, ladies and gentlemen. Withdrawals minimum $10 US. You can purchase, there's no limit to the number of ad campaigns that you can purchase. Remember, you're getting paid per click. So obviously the higher your packages, the bigger your daily earnings is going to be at the end of the day. The only thing is you need to wait those 7 days for the holding period after your 12 days have completed. And then there's many different strategies that people are following to build their teams up and to increase their earnings. So that is basically how you're going to deposit here. First of all, obviously, if you do not have funds in the wallet, you're going to deposit your funds here, and they're making use of now payments. So this is very important to note that when you do make a payment, read everything. Make sure you put in the minimum is 10. So, and then you will go to the deposit section. It will take you to now payments. And please stay on this page until you have completed until it shows successful. Then you will know that your funds has arrived, and you can choose any cryptocurrency here. We're using stablecoin. It's the tab there. And what I use is USDT BEP20 or Binance Smart Chain. Put the exact amount that they give you here. All right, if you want to send 10 and they put the 10.005, add that decimals at the back of the 10 as well. Don't just put 10 because it will not, the system will not pick it up. And you will get a progress bar that shows you it's in progress or it's pending, and then when it's successful, it will also show you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and that's when your account will be credited with those funds. Once it is credited in your account, then you can purchase your ad package. You will buy ad campaigns. You will choose here. The first one is level 1. This is, remember, there's an activation, once-off activation fee for every level, and you're only paying that activation fee once. So you're going to click on buy this ad campaign. Obviously, I have some funds in my wallet, so that will be enough. I can do that if I want to. And this is where you will add your own product or website that you want to advertise. You will add it here, the name of the website or the product, and then the link as well. And then you can preview it and then confirm your purchase. Right, so I'm not going to purchase this now, but that is how you're going to purchase it. Let me just show you the rest of the packages. This is the current level 2 that I am on. It is level 1 is $13 plus $1 activation fee. After your 19 days is completed, you will not pay the extra $1 again. You can only purchase your level 1 for $13 then. The same on all the other levels. You will just pay the activation fee once. All right, so this level is $77. The first time it's $7 on level 2. So it's $84 on your first time for level 2. Then after that, you just pay $77. Level 3 is $150. So that is what we are doing at this moment. We are building up enough credit to upgrade to level 3. Right, without taking any extra funds out of our own pockets. And then we will upgrade as high as we can until we get to level 4 at least. So here you can see you will earn, it is going to cost you $300 to get to level 4. Right, for 12 days, then after 19 days, you will receive your payout there. Right, then level 5 is $600, level 6 is $1,200, and level 7 is $2,400. And there's a lot of members already on level 7. Right, so withdrawals is a 10% withdrawal fee, minimum is $10. That is getting sent to you in crypto in real time, not, you don't have to wait 24 hours, 48 hours, or anything like that. Right, basically that is that, and that is obviously the higher that your package, the more earnings your daily earnings will be, and the higher your levels, the more ads per day that you will get to click. Right, so you can see a progress bar of my 3 campaigns already. So the first one is completed. 12 out of 12 days, I received $101 there after the 19 days. That started on the 9th of June. Right, the second one started on the 22nd of June, which was purchased with the funds that was released from the first campaign. And then the third one purchased on the 27th of June. All right, so now this one is in the holding phase at this moment, 6 days left. Then we will use, if that's enough including the current balance, we will upgrade to level 3. All right, with those funds. So there's another 8, there's 4 days left, and then 4 plus 7, so it's 11 days left. Then we will get these funds, and then we'll upgrade to level 3, and that is how we are doing this. But you can decide how you want to do it, how you want to structure it. Each team is using their own strategy, but basically this is how it works. Yes, get back to the person that shared this video to you, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please consider liking this video and subscribing as well. The description and the link to join will be in the pinned comment as well, in the description as well, plus the groups that you can join in my own WhatsApp link to contact me personally as well. Right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Just note that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm simply sharing what and how ClickBait is working for members worldwide currently. Thank you very much. Please, if you consider joining, do not take this as financial advice. Nothing is guaranteed or can be guaranteed in the online space. And only use money that you can afford to lose. But it is definitely possible to start you need to start somewhere. And then build it up that way, and you can decide if you want to refer other people or build a team or not. That is totally not compulsory. It's up to you. All right, I thank you very much once again. Have a nice day from wherever you are. Good day and goodbye.